If you're looking at solar for the first time, it can be quite confusing. That's why we're here to cut through and show you what's what. First of all, solar panels generate electricity in direct current, and that needs to be converted into alternating current. And the way we do that is with an inverter. Now, there's three types of inverters on the whole. One of them is a string inverter, where all the panels go into, they're all wired up, and they go into the inverter, and the direct current is converted into alternating current, which you can use in your house, and that's it. The next type is a hybrid inverter, very, very similar to a string inverter, but it also controls the battery management system. So you get both the solar and the battery management and the whole flow of electricity all on one control system, on one app, one monitoring platform. So you've got a string system and you've got a hybrid. And then the other way is with microinverters. Microinverters are attached on the outside of the house underneath each panel. So they work at lower voltages and they're cooler. Each panel then becomes its own solar system. So if you've got any shading elements, then that's negated because each panel just drops out rather than dragging the rest of them down to the performance of the lowest panel. What happens with string systems, although there are ways around it by optimizing panels with a string system. Optimized systems are very good, but microinverters convert the direct current electricity to alternating current outside under the panels on the roof. That means you've got no high voltage DC cabling coming through the house. The warranties are reflected in the product. So a string system, most of them will give you a 10-year warranty, some of them 12, and there's one or two that you can extend the warranties up to 20 years. The systems that the Solar Nation members install are built to last. We don't go on for this race for the bottom, cheap as you get, just to get a job in. It's about quality, because we want to be there to hold your hand through this journey. It's not just for now to get the system installed, it's what happens afterwards for you to get the absolute best out of it. So there's three types of systems to consider: a string system, a hybrid, or a micro inverter system.